Okay, so this is the POV of the ride. I wanted to show this to you all. If you saw the other video, you saw the queue line. So this is going to have just the track. It's not going to have the overlay, like the weird glasses. You saw the funny hat that we were wearing in the last video, the little visors. There's a picture right there of the little girl. Okay. What is that you call it? The little visor that goes over your eyes, I guess? It has like a Stevish... Yeah. And what that does is it kind of puts like little... You can see like little Mario Kart characters racing along with you during the track. So, this is just going to be the sets, which I think the sets are really impressive. I have a giant boat in here that I really like. But like right there with the visor on, you see a whole bunch of little cars driving by you and spinning out. Like Princess Peach and Toad on their little carts. And yeah, I remember a lot of that. Okay, so this is one of my favorite parts of this ride. Come along here on the side and you see a little screen up there. There's going to be a giant fish monster or something come out. So I thought it looked really neat. And yeah, that was cool. The visors look 3D. Now that's when you're getting inked by the squid for Mario Kart. You know about that. Oh, and under your steering wheel when you're playing, you got the visor. So right now you can't see it, but you see the little fishes bouncing, people are shooting it. So on the steering wheel, you got these little two buttons that are like guns, like trigger buttons, right? These are shooting shells. You're not shooting lasers or anything, you're shooting like little weapons that you can pick up. Because you see question marks on your visor and your car will run into it. And whatever you get is what you're gonna be able to use as your little throwing weapon. So I had the green shells. What did you get? Did you have green shells too? Remember? But I really like these sets, though. I thought they were really impressive. Yeah, even my wife, I remember hearing her just on the chandelier moving around. Cool. Oh yeah, you remember it was really cold and windy in here. That was cool. Got a lot of AC pumping in there, which is good. It's a little warm out there, yeah. Oh, this is my favorite right here, this ship. Ah man, I took the visor off just so I could look at that. It was so cool. That's a real big boat, man. They built that thing so cool. Wow, look at that. So you're shooting this guy too, if your little triggers, your shells or whatever, and you see how he's sparking up everywhere. And I think we're getting towards the end. Oh wait, we got hit with lightning or something like that. Okay. And then of course Rainbow Road. But it's so different when you're riding it. You feel like you're really going fast. It's got this strange feeling to it. I guess with the visors and the way everything works. There you go, that's the complete ride. Just gonna get off the car here and show you the rest. What you got to look forward to once you get off the ride. And this, oh, remember all the stairs? My gosh. That's the only thing. Here's the end to get off. That's the only problem I had. There's so many stairs. That park loves some stairs, but you know what? It's well worth it. The park is beautiful. The ride is great. The castle, the whole experience. And for me, my favorite thing was seeing my wife's face light up. She got so excited. And, you know, how can you say no to that? That was really fun. She was so happy. I really enjoyed that. And then we went to this gift shop. And we didn't record it last time, but we did buy some little, what did we buy? The little mushroom guy? His little head thing. I don't know. He's a cook. Well, anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you.